Hi, in this video we'll learn how to multiply two binomials using FOIL method. FOIL is just a method of multiplying two binomials. So FOIL is F-O-I-L, where F represents the first terms. So F is first terms. O represents the outer terms, I represents the inner terms, and L represents the last terms. So now, first of all, we'll identify the first terms of each binomial, and then we're going to multiply them together. So the first terms of each binomial. The first term of this binomial is x, and the first term of this binomial is also x. So we're going to multiply them together, x times x, that will give me x squared. Then we'll take the outer terms or the outside terms and then multiply them together. So outer terms of the binomial, of each binomial would be the outer term of this binomial is x and the outer term of this binomial is 5. See how they're on the outside? So that's why they're outside terms. So we'll take x and then 5 and multiply them together. So x times 5, that will give me 5x. Now I stands for the inner terms or inside terms. Now we're going to identify the inside terms and then multiply them. So inside terms are, inside term of this binomial is 2 and then inside term of this binomial is x. Notice that how they're on the inside of the binomial. So 2 and x. So this will be 2 times x. Will give us 2x. And then we're going to identify the last terms of each binomial and then multiply them. So the last term of each binomial, the last term from the first binomial is 2, and the last term from the second binomial is 5. So 2 times 5, that will give us 10. Now we're just going to add all the terms and then combine the like terms, if any. X squared plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. Notice that 5x plus 2x, they are like terms, so we can combine them. So this will be x squared, 5x plus 2x will give us 7x, then plus 10. So my final answer is x squared plus 7x plus 10. Notice that my final answer is already in standard form. You have to make sure that the terms are written in the decreasing order of the power of x. I hope you find this video helpful. That's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to this channel and want to see more videos on other math topics, be sure to subscribe down below and share it with your friends. See you in next video.